This right here is what hurt your feelings. This was a fairly strong little nuke. Small but strong. Going into winter. And it died. Come by one day, it was just working up a storm. In and out, pollen going in. And next time, bees laying everywhere. And it's already been robbed out. Had brood in it. I'm taking it, I'm saying, I'm gonna call it starvation. Probably should have put some more sugar water out. You see all the, oh, I don't know if you can see that or not. All the bees up in there, head first. Starved. That's where little brood nest was at. Yep. I don't know if you can see in there or not. It's a big pile of bees.